It's the headline we all pray we never see, the scenario we hope remains in history books and movies. But the global reality is that cities, places just like yours, can become the front line faster than anyone expects. The purpose of this video isn't to create panic, it's to provide practical, actionable, life-saving information that you can use so you are prepared for the unthinkable. We're going to cover the absolute priorities, what to prepare now, the crucial first 24 hours, the definitive should I stay or should I go decision, and how to survive once the infrastructure fails. This is the guide you hope you never need, but that you cannot afford to ignore. Preparation isn't paranoia, it's responsibility. There are 3 things you should arrange immediately while things are peaceful. Point 1. The go bag. This is a single, sturdy backpack for every member of your family, kept near the exit. It must contain 3 days of non-perishable food, energy bars, ready-to-eat meals, a reusable water bottle and water purification tablets or a filter, a comprehensive first aid kit with an emphasis on trauma, like bandages and tourniquets, crucial medications and a list of prescriptions, a reliable flashlight and extra batteries or a hand crank version, a multi-tool, warm weatherproof clothing. If the order comes to evacuate or if your home becomes unsafe, you will likely only have minutes to leave. You cannot be packing suitcases. You need a dedicated evacuation backpack, often called a bug-out bag, ready by the door for every member of your family. Keep the backpack subdued in color. You don't want bright tactical gear that makes you look like a target or someone hoarding supplies. Let's break down exactly what goes inside, categorized by priority. Category 1. Hydration and nutrition. Water purification. Don't just pack heavy water bottles. Pack water purification tablets and a portable water filter like a life straw. If you are on the move, you will have to source water locally, and dirty water can be a death sentence. Food. Skip canned goods, they're too heavy. Pack high-calorie, dense survival bars, trail mix, and MREs, meals ready to eat. You want maximum calories for minimum weight. Category 2. The medical and trauma kit. Coming at this from a medical perspective, a standard drugstore first aid kit with just band-aids and aspirin is not going to cut it in a conflict zone. You need a proper trauma kit. Include a CAT tourniquet and know how to use it, pressure dressings like Israeli bandages, packing gauze for deep wounds, chest seals, iodine or alcohol wipes, and any essential prescription medications you need to survive. Category 3. Tech, comms, and navigation. Power. A high-capacity solar power bank with multiple charging cables. Comms. A small battery-operated or hand-crank emergency radio to pick up broadcast frequencies when the cell towers go down. Navigation. A physical, waterproof map of your region and a compass. Do not rely solely on GPS. However, while you still have a signal, make sure you have offline maps of your entire state or country downloaded on your phone. Category 4. Shelter, warmth, and tools. Shelter. Mylar emergency space blankets. They weigh ounces but reflect 90% of your body heat. Clothing. 3 pairs of high-quality wool socks. Foot care is critical if you are walking out of a city. Add a waterproof poncho and a warm base layer. Tools. A high-quality multi-tool like a Leatherman, a reliable tactical flashlight with extra batteries, a fixed-blade knife, and a roll of duct tape. Finally, keep physical cash in small denominations hidden in the bag. When power grids fail, card readers fail, cash or even small barter items might be your only way to secure last-minute transport or supplies. Point 2. The document cache. This is your key to a future after the crisis. Physical copies and digital copies on an encrypted USB or cloud of passports, birth certificates, driver's licenses, medical records, property deeds, insurance policies, and essential contacts. Keep the physical copies in a waterproof sleeve in your go bag. Point 3. The family plan. Communication will fail. Set 2 meeting points, one right outside your home for emergencies like a fire, and one outside your neighborhood if evacuation is immediate. Ensure every family member knows these locations. If conflict begins, the first 24 hours are critical. Your objective isn't to fight, It's to secure your family and decide on your location. Step 1. Secure information. Turn on the radio. A hand crank radio is essential, or check reliable news sources. Avoid social media for actionable intelligence. It's too prone to rumors and panic. Listen for official evacuation or shelter-in-place orders. Step 2. Immediate utility action. If your home is damaged or the city is under bombardment, you must shut off the main lines for gas, electricity, and water immediately. Ruptured gas lines are often more dangerous than the initial attack. Step 3. The go or stay decision. This is the most difficult choice. When to evacuate. If there is a safe, established corridor, if your home cannot be secured, if you have dependents who cannot survive a siege, or if your city is a confirmed primary target and you have time to leave before routes are cut. When to shelter in place. If the danger is immediate, bombardment. If all evacuation routes are blocked or compromised, like being used by military. If there are no secure destinations, or if your home offers significant defensible protection. If you must shelter, your focus shifts to long-term survival under grid-down conditions. Point 1. Your water is number 1 priority. Immediately fill your bathtub and every available container, pots, pitchers. Learn how to secure water from your hot water heater. Most have a drain valve. Immediately assume all tap water is contaminated until proven otherwise. Purify everything. Point 2. Fortify your shelter. The safest place is usually the most central windowless room or a basement. Put as many walls as possible between you and the outside. Reinforce windows. Even taping them in X pattern can reduce shattered glass. Heavy curtains or blocking them with furniture can protect from blast debris. Light management. Blackout. At night, your shelter must be completely light-tight. In a conflict zone, light means life, and it can attract unwanted attention or become a target. Use heavy blankets to cover all light sources. Your neighbor is your strongest ally or your greatest threat. If possible, form a plan with those in your immediate building or street. Shared resources, tools, medical skills, and information, and shared security rotations are essential. Finally, do not underestimate hygiene. In a conflict, more people often die from preventable diseases like dysentery and cholera than direct violence. Establish a waste management system far from your living and water areas. Keep wounds clean. If medical help isn't available, basic sanitation is your only defense against infection. This topic is heavy, and I hope this is knowledge you will never need to apply. But preparation is the key to resilience. Disclaimer: I am not a military or survival expert. This information is based on established civil defense and humanitarian best practices. Always prioritize instructions from local authorities and trusted international humanitarian organizations in a crisis.